Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has finally moved above the descending yellow trend line that has shaped its price behavior since the middle of September. The move was confirmed with clear hourly candles and steady momentum across multiple indicators. Looking upward, the first important zone is the psychological level around 112,000. If price can sustain above this area, the next checkpoints are at 112,990 and then 113,680. This aligns with the heat map, where both the 3-day and 1-week view highlight 113,300 as the most significant area of interest above. On the other side, immediate support sits at 111,600. If that level does not hold, the next demand zone lies between 111,000 and 110,800. The heat map also shows a growing cluster near 107,700, which could act as a pull target if the upward move fails to sustain. Momentum indicators continue to back the advance. The relative strength index is stretched near 75, showing strong upward energy, but also pointing to the possibility of a short-term cooldown. The wave trend oscillator readings remain constructive, and the MACD has shifted into positive territory, adding weight to the current structure. In summary, moving above the descending trend line signals a potential change in market direction. As long as Bitcoin holds above 111,600, the next target zone lies between 113,300 and 113,680. If that support fails, attention shifts back toward the 111,000 region, with a deeper pull toward 107,000 to 700 still on the table. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time analysis. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.